Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding httplib.BadStatusLine in Python and how to handle it. Introduction. In Python, when you work with HTTP requests, you may encounter various exceptions and errors. One of these is the httplib.BadStatusLine exception. This exception occurs when the HTTP response status line is malformed or improperly formatted. In this tutorial, we'll explain what httplib.BadStatusLine is, why it occurs, and how to handle it using code examples. The httplib.BadStatusLine exception is typically raised when the HTTP response status line doesn't conform to the HTTP/1.1 protocol specifications. The status line is the first line in an HTTP response, and it should have the following format. If the server's response doesn't adhere to this format, Python's httplib library will raise a BadStatusLine exception. To handle the httplib.BadStatusLine exception, you should anticipate the possibility of this error when making HTTP requests and implement appropriate error handling mechanisms. Here's a step-by-step guide with a code example to demonstrate how to handle it. In the example above, we create a function safe_http_request that wraps the HTTP request with a try except block. We check for a valid status line and handle the httplib.BadStatusLine exception specifically. Additionally, we catch other exceptions, like socket.error, and handle them appropriately. The httplib.BadStatusLine exception can occur when the HTTP response status line is improperly formatted. To handle this exception, you should anticipate it in your code and implement appropriate error handling mechanisms, as shown in the example. This ensures your Python applications can gracefully handle unexpected situations during HTTP requests. ChatGPT.